Hey savers, Chrissy here from CouponConfidants.com. I wanted to take a minute and go over with you the best deals for our new week. This is the week before Thanksgiving, so this is when you're going to stock up on your meats and your turkey and your sides and all of that good stuff so you can have your family gathering. These sales are valid November 14th through November 21st. Or they start November 15th, or if you are in a Thursday sale cycle area. Both are ending November 21st this time because Thursday is Thanksgiving and all of the Publix stores will be closed. So we might have a repeat of some of these deals next week. They might incorporate some new ones also. Sometimes they do end up extending it out, but it does fall right on a Thursday, so it's in the beginning of the week, not like other holidays in the past, Christmas or such things like that, where they kind of mess up our sales cycle. So we will see what will happen, but for now, these are the best deals coming up. So let's go. Of course, we have turkey on sale. This is the Publix Young Turkey, 49 cents per pound. We do also have a sale on the Butterball turkey, if that is what you prefer. Let me skip down really quick. And as you can see right here, 99 cents per pound. The fresh is $1.87 per pound. And we have the Greenwise Young Turkey, $1.49 per pound. And the fresh turkey from Greenwise, $1.69. So you have a couple different options here, but I did go ahead and post the lowest deal at the top, the Publix Young Turkey for 49 cents per pound, which is an amazing deal. And I believe there is a limit on this, limit of 2. So if you get more than 2, you will have to pay more than the 49 cents per pound. But either way, this is a great deal. Next up, we have Lysol wipes, 75 to 80 count. Buy one, get one free, $4.59, and this will end up $1.80 after the $1 off of 2 Smart Source coupon. This is coming out next weekend, so go ahead and get prepared now and make sure that you get your inserts, your newspapers, or your clipped coupons so you can get the big Lysol canisters for $1.80 each. Bob Evans side dishes, 12 to 24 ounce, are on sale for $3 each. We have $1 off of 2 printable coupon, and then we have $1 off 2 from Smart Source November 11th. So depending on which you decide to use, either one you use, you will pay $2.50, and if you got the $1 off of 3 insert coupon, excuse me, then it will be slightly more. And you would have to pick up 3 of them to use that. Jimmy Dean's pork sausage, 9.6 to 16 ounce, has a sale price of $3. We have $1 off of 2 printable coupon, and we have $1 off of 2 from Retail Me Not November 11th. That would make these $2.50 each after either coupon. Campbell's cream soups, we are talking the cream of mushroom or cream of chicken, 10.5 to 10.75 ounce, are buy one, get one free, $1.75. We have $1 off of 8 printable coupon, making them 75 cents each. If you would like to use the insert coupon of 40 cents off of 4 from Retail Me Not September 16th, you will pay slightly more, but it is still a great deal. And this same coupon repeated itself in the Smart Source November 4th, so either one you can use if you cannot print. Campbell's Well Yes soups are buy one get one free, $2.69. We have $1.50 off of 2 from Smart Source October 7th, making them 60 cents each. This is going to be a very popular deal coming up. China Classic plates or platters, 24 to 72 count. Buy one, get one free, $5.99. Now in this scenario, what you'll want to do is you'll want to pick up the 70 count dinner plates because that is what this $2 off of 1 Publix Publix purple flyer, I need to change that. that is the coupon you're going to want to use, even though it's a limit of 1 and it is for 70 count only. So that is the plates that you have to get. You also want to use your $2 off of 2 printable coupon. If you don't have this, make sure you sign up through this link or check your emails. There should be a coupon in there for 2 off 2 unless you happen to use it this past weekend on your napkins. Final price is 99 cents each 70 count of plates, which is a great deal. Del Monte vegetables, 11 to 15.25 ounce, buy one get one free, $1.43 as you saw in my last video. That's how much they are in my store, and then a couple of the cans were a little bit more. So $1.43 to $1.49 depending on where you are. I wrote the scenario for using the 40 cents off of 4 Smart Source November 4th and stacking that with the 55 cents off for Publix Green Flyer. That would make each can 47 cents each. If you did not already print this last week and use it, then go ahead and print it here, and you'll get another 10 cents off per every 4. Fiber One bars or brownies, buy one get one free, $3.95. We have a 50 cents off 2 insert coupon. If you got the higher value coupon, $1 off of 2 from that same Smart Source October 7th, you would pay $1.48 each box. General Mills Chex cereals, Lucky Charms, or Cinnamon Toast Crunch are buy one get one free, $4.49. We have $1 off of 2 printable coupon, either link right here. And that would leave you paying $1.75 each. If you want to use the 75 cents off of 2 insert coupon, you would just pay a little bit more, but it's still a great deal on the big boxes of cereal. Hellmann's mayonnaise, 24 or 30 count, buy one get one free up to $5.89. For this scenario, I wrote for the squeeze bottles. They are $4.99. And you will end up paying $1.50 each after the $1 off of 1 insert coupon from Retail Me Not November 11th. And that is the 24-ounce squeeze that are $4.99 in the store. Idahoan mashed potatoes or home-style casseroles are on sale. Buy one get one free, $1.33. We have $1 off of 3 insert coupon from the Kids 360 insert November 4th. So this would make them 33 cents each. Now whenever we have a coupon that is off of in the increments of an odd number, in other words 3 or 5, something like that, keep in mind if you are in half BOGO, you can buy just the 3. If you are in true BOGO like Florida, you would have to buy 6 and use 2 of these coupons. Infusium hair care products, buy one get one free up to $6.99. We have a $2 off of 1 insert coupon from Smart Source November 4th, making them $1.50 each. Keebler Townhouse or Club Crackers, buy one get one free, $3.63. We have $1 off 2 printable coupon, and we have $1 off 2 insert coupon from November 11th, Retail Me Not, making these $1.32 each box after either coupon. Lindsay's Olives 6-ounce can, buy one get one free, $1.99. We have $1 off 2 printable coupon, making them 49 cents each can. Lipton Tea 15 to 100 count are buy one get one free. Now the lowest price is $1.79 for the lowest count. If you wanted to get the 100 count, you're going to pay a lot more. You can go ahead and divide that by the amount out of pocket and divide your quantity and decide which is better for you. For this scenario, I wrote the smallest count. The cheapest price at my store, $1.79, and I believe it's for the 20 count. We have a 40 cents off 1 insert coupon from Retail Me Not November 4th, making them 50 cents each after the insert coupons. And don't forget to redeem your Fetch Rewards rebates. Mueller's pasta or lasagna, 8 to 16 ounce, are buy one get one free, $1.69. We have a 55 cents off 2 insert coupon from Smart Source November 4th, making these 57 cents each box after coupons. This is another great deal. Nature Valley's Bars or Bites. Buy one, get one free, $3.59. We have a couple different coupons to use. We have some 50 cents off 1 and 50 cents off 2. If you got the 50 cents off 1 coupons, you would use 2 of those and you would end up paying $1.30 each. Sometimes regions have the $1 off 2 coupons also, so just check your region. They are all going to be in the inserts of the Smart Source. 10/21 or 11/11, November 11th or September 30th. Noni's Biscottis or Thin Addictives. Buy one, get one free, $3.29. We have a high value $1.50 off 1 coupon right here. Very easy to print. Please make sure you do this. You'll get them for 15 cents each after these coupons. If you want to go ahead and use the insert coupons from Smart Source 10/21, you would pay a little bit more if you can't print, but either way it is a great deal. Ocean Spray juice cocktails or blends or mocktails are buy one get one free, $3.89. If you want to go ahead and buy the pink variety, that is the coupon we have. It is 88 cents off 1 printable coupons, making them $1.07 each after those printable coupons. Pompeian olive oil, 16 ounce, $7.95, buy one get one free. We have a 55 cents off 1 printable coupon, making them $3.43 each after coupons. Quaker Instant Oatmeal, 9.3 to 14 ounce, buy one get one free, $4.39. This is a great deal, $1.70 each box after coupons. We're using the $1 off 2 from Retail Me Not October 14th, and we have fetch rewards that we can accumulate off of buying these too. And here's another Quaker deal. The select starts are even cheaper, $1.65 each. Buy one get one free, $4.29. We would be using that same coupon. We're using a different coupon from Retail Me Not November 4th. And you would also get your fetch rewards from this also. We have 2 deals on napkins, Vanity Fair napkins. These are the extra absorbent napkins, 80 to 100 count. The 80 count are $2.59 in my store. Buy one, get one free. And we have 75 cents off 1 insert coupon from November 4th, making them 55 cents each pack. And the second Vanity Fair deal is the 40 count regular napkins, $2.29, buy one get one free. Those are different coupons. We have 50 cents off 1 printable, and then we have a 50 cents off 1 from Retail Me Not November 4th, or $1 off 2 from that same insert. You use any of these coupons and you'll pick them up for 65 cents each. Domino Sugar. This is 4-pound bag on sale for $1.99. We have 75 cents off 2 printable coupons. And then we have the 40 cents off of 1 Retail Me Not from September 9th. And the Domino 1-pound boxes, 16 ounce, powders, confectioners, dark or light brown sugar are on sale for $1 each. We have 50 cents off 2 insert coupons, making them 75 cents each box. Mahatma Jasmine long grain rice, 5-pound bags are on sale $4.99. We have $1 off 1 printable coupon, making them $3.99 each bag. Uncle Ben's ready rice or flavored grains are going to be on sale for 3 for $5. Or $1.67 each box. And we have a couple different coupons to use. Here is, I wrote for the $1 off 2 flavored grains printable, or the flavored grains Retail Me Not November 4th, making them $1.17 each. Cabot cheese bars, 6 to 8 ounce, are buy one get one free, $4.29, and we have $1 off 2 printable coupon, making them $1.65 each. Sabra hummus is on sale, 8 or 10 ounce, buy one get one free, $3.99. We have $1 off one printable coupon, making them 99 cents each. Sister Schubert's rolls. These are the dinner rolls or the cloverleaf soft dinner rolls. $3 is the sale price. We have a 75 cents off one printable coupon, making them $2.25 each, or you can print the 75 cents off too and pay a little bit more. Nellie's Eggs, this deal is back and this goes very, very quickly, so make sure you print yours and get them as early as you possibly can. There's a sale price of $3 each dozen, and we have a $1.50 off one printable coupon, making them $1.49 each. Pillsbury pie crusts are buy one get one free, $3.45. We have $1 off 3 insert coupons or printable coupon, making them $1.39 each. And the rest of the deals are below. Everything that I mentioned above is below. You can go ahead and check these off and add them to your printable list. And all of the visuals are back up top, as those are sometimes easier for you to follow. But if you come down this list, every single thing in the ad is below, and you can make your custom list by just checking these boxes off. If you need any help, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Have a great night, savers.